Hello to everyone. I started this show, I don't know, about a week ago, and it was called Cheap Eat. And so my Cheap Eat show is just eating dinner really, really cheap. Cheap beverage tea. It could be even cheaper. It could be 100 bags for $1. So, tea at home is probably the cheapest thing you can drink. And then I bought this milk at Dollar Tree. I like it. I'm going to stockpile a lot of it. And back here is one of the cupcakes I made. I had it in the freezer, frozen, and some cookies. Okay, so now, what happened? Okay, I have saved my napkins from Halloween. And I like to demonstrate this every once in a while in case some of my new followers haven't seen this. This is a nice, tidy way to contain your silverware. Okay, so I made a turkey burger, and I want to mention something that I didn't mention in the last video. Okay, where's that? Let me see if I can find it. My freezer. I'm glad you can't see it. Really glad. It's not fit for the viewing audience. Okay, this turkey burger was $7.99 per pound. But I bought it on sale for $5.99 a pound. So this is good turkey. And so I cut it in 4 pieces, and it cost me about $1.25. And so then, so the most expensive thing in this meal would be the turkey burger. And let me get my... I have some squash, and I'm just going to eat it cold. I like it. I like it cold. It's fine. And then I made, okay, so the squash cost me 50 cents. I made a baked potato, and I bought these potatoes for 99 cents. So let me check something here. I bought these potatoes for 99 cents. How many did I get? Okay, this is 3 pounds of potatoes, so 33 cents a pound. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potatoes. So this potato is about 18 cents. So I have about, say about $2. Owie, owie. And I switched a while back. I switched from margarine to real butter. I think it's more, it's better nutritionally. And what I do is I think I got this butter at Aldi's. I have been buying some stuff at Aldi's. I like Aldi's. And then I bought this sour cream. I think I got this sour cream for 99 cents at Aldi's. It is 16 ounces. I find Aldi's to be very economical. This is a pretty decent meal. It really is. Okay, so I wanted to fry my turkey burger in some bacon grease. So I have some bacon bits and some... That's a pretty decent potato. When I was a kid, my dad wouldn't let us eat any other way. We had to have a meat, we had to have a vegetable, and we had to have like a potato. So now let me taste this. Let me taste this squash. I think I'll peel it. I don't like the idea of eating the peel. I try not to eat banana peels or anything, but this squash should be pretty decent cold. I will tell you. If it tastes good cold, I will tell you. If it tastes bad, I will tell you it tastes bad. Nope. It is fine. Okay, now, a couple of days ago, I made applesauce. So I'm still eating it. I will eat it all. You know, we could have had this today on the pancakes. Let me taste it. I will tell you. And then, you know, if you're kind of broke, you can count your ketchup as a vegetable. This would be good with some of those Dollar Tree fries I'm always eating. Sometimes it's just, and then, you know, I always keep pickles. Okay, so if you keep lemon, you keep lime, and you keep vinegar, and you keep pickles, dill, and sweet. And then I can't stand cheap mustard. I heard a couple of you can't either. So now this is a pretty cheap meal, you guys. This is Cheap Eats. Turkey burger. This is a cheap meal, but this is not cheap food. This is good turkey burger. I can also, for $1, buy a nice, oh, I want to mention something. Oh, I almost forgot. I use my burger maker I put my burgers in a baggie and I use my burger maker to make a burger. Because your burgers are going to, you know, cook up better. Okay, you guys, here is my Cheap Eats. God bless you all.